Here's how to use Deepstash app. So as you can see, you have to sign in first, and if you want to read, you can just go ahead and click on the explore with the search icon, and then you can go ahead and search any topics or usernames that you want to follow on your Deepstash. And then you can go ahead and click on the choices that you can see at the top, such as the topics, and you can go ahead and scroll down and share the topics that you can see. You can also go ahead and go to the sources where you will see their different ideas and people as well. Now you can go ahead and click on the follow button if you want to follow someone. And then next, on the explore options, if you wanted to read a book or hear a book, you can just go ahead and click on the audio with the headset icon. And then now, you will now have an audiobook. And now you can just go ahead and click on the read options. And then afterwards, you can now go ahead and read every chapter that you can see on the Deep Stash. You can just go ahead and scroll down until you're already satisfied with reading the book. And that is how you use your Deepstash account.